Wow, I had to put something up right now. Like, I was working with an artist the other day, and it come to the finishing, finalizing of the mastering the track, and I was like, yeah, I need your information, like your PRS and your information, so I can register the track. They were like, what's PRS? What are you talking about? So I was like, wow, okay. That inspired me to actually put this up right now. So guys, if you never heard of PRS, go to your Google and type in PRS for music. Also type in PPL and, like, decide for yourself if you need to register. These guys help you to receive your royalties, pay you for your performances, and a whole load of other things. You need to start licensing your music and start getting this thing done properly. A lot of you don't know about Spotify yet as well, which is really, really crazy. There's so much stuff that you guys need to start looking into. And obviously, if you're watching this or you're listening to this and you're thinking, wow, I knew that already. Come on, man. New people enter the game every day. With that said, I'm out. Your success is my happiness. I'm gone.